Hello guys, today I'm playing Make a Tasty Cake. I don't know if that is the title, but okay. Currently I'm in Philippines, but some of my subscribers are from Philippines too. So I'm gonna get cake batter and it's right there. Okay. I think I can't draw. I can't. I can't tap it. Oh, drop item. Oh no, it turned into a cake. And even my skin is white. I'm gonna let myself cook. Yay, I'm a cake. I'm actually going to get a Nami soon. Later or sooner. I became a computer cake. Gonna feed the green noob. It's actually 10 p.m. in Philippines today, so I think I'll not sleep because I have school tomorrow. And I wanna be early. Wait, where am I? No, 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 no. No, 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 no. I don't wanna go. I don't wanna go. I want to let him choke. I want to let him choke. I want to let him choke. I'll drop my cake batter and he will eat it raw. Drop. Okay. I don't wanna be eaten. No, 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 no. No, I'm going to the toilet. Yes. I'm at the edge of the toilet. Look at this satisfying. I can't walk. Oh, there you go. Come along down with me. Okay, I officially started to back into human again. But I guess I think this is all for today, guys. I guess. Bye.